it's not difficult to maintain our kakars or wear our kakars when we are swimming or going for work or, doing our daily life work and studies and routine. It's just how we practice it and how we prioritize our kakars, everything becomes possible for us. WhyGuru Ji Ka Khalsa, WhyGuru Ji Ki Fateh Sangat Ji. You asked a question and we're going to help you to answer it. So your question is, how does a Sikh have a shower? So the question then continues with, does my kashera have to stay on both legs the entire shower, or can I tie it to one leg? Second question is, what do I do with my dastar, with my karpan and my kanga when I'm washing my case, doing keshi ishnan? And the third question is, what do I do with my kakkars when I go for swimming? So the first question is, does my kashera have to be tied on both legs the entire shower? The answer is yes. So wear your kashera with your nala, tie it properly, and you have your shower. Once you're done with your shower, you wipe your body, loosen your nala, and you take out the wet kashera from one leg, wipe your leg and wear the dry kashera. Then remove the wet kashera from the other leg. You can wipe your leg and then wear the dry kashera and tie your nala and so on. Then wear your kapde, your clothes, and then the karpan that you tie on your dastar or your keski when you're taking a shower, then now you can wear it back. So this follows then with the next question. If I'm doing keshi ishnan, what do I do with my karpan, my dastar and my kanga? So now you have taken a bath, you've already worn your kashera, your karpan that was on your keski, you've already put it on. So now you take off your keski or your dastar, and that dastar or keski, you can wrap it around your waist, tie it around your waist. Then the kanga, you can either put it in the dastar that you wrapped it around your waist, or you can clip it to your gatra. You can just put it in your gatra. Then put your head down, let your case down, and you do your keshi ishnan. Then wipe your case, and then after that, once your case is already all wiped, case hare karte tusi, then you can wear your keski and cover your head after you're done with your keshi ishnan. So then the next question now is, what do I do with my kakars when I go for swimming? So when you go for swimming, there's a very high chance that your kada or your sarbalo karpan or your sarbalo kada will rust, right? So normally we would have a separate karpan that we wear for swimming. So certain Gursikhs would wear an ishnani karpan, both ishnani karpan and a sarbalo miyan wali karpan. So miyan wali karpan means it has a sheath, a cover to it. So you can have a separate karpan for swimming and you wear that gatre wali karpan when you go for swimming. You can wear it inside your swimming suit, or it depends, or if you're wearing your keski and you have a cap on, then you can wear it in your keski, around your keski, or you can wear it around your shoulder, your waist. Then once you're done with your swimming, then the first thing you need to do after you shower and you have worn clean clothes is to then wash your sarbalo karpan and your kada. So it's going to rust. Make sure you do seva of your karpan and your kada. You have sand, or you use a certain soap or a scrub, and then scrub all the rust out from your karpan and your kada. Make sure you wipe it dry, clean it, dry it, and then you can apply Q. You can apply Q to your sarbalo kada and your karpan as well to avoid further rusting. So Sangaji, everything is possible. It's not difficult to maintain our kakars or wear our kakars when we are swimming or going for work or, doing our daily life work and studies and routine. It's just how we practice it and how we prioritize our kakars, and it makes it everything becomes possible for us. So when we are showering, make sure your kashera is always on you, your karpan, your kanga, all your kakars are on you when you're showering, when you're sleeping, if you go to work, or when you're swimming, and so on. So if any other questions or further suggestions on how you can manage your kakars when you're swimming or any other activity that you do, please comment below and let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Bhulan chukan dikhima. WhyGuru Ji Ka Khalsa, WhyGuru Ji Ki Fateh. So if you have any further questions or any other suggestion on how you can manage your kakara while you're doing your daily life routine, please let us know in the comment below. Bhulan chukan dikhima. WhyGuru Ji Ka Khalsa, WhyGuru Ji Ki Fateh.